Alright, good morning everyone. I'm over with my buddy Gil this morning. I'm going back there and see if we can get this guy on a gobble this morning. How long has it been since Gil won?
Oh gosh, 15 years, probably,
So,
at least.
I rung the little 410 for backup in case we can double, but he's up to shoot first, so let's see if we can go up there and get after him. Can't believe I'm not hearing shit yet. You can see where they've been on me. Start getting your gun over this way. Gil, start getting your gun over this way. Before I left the house this morning, I said, we're gonna kill something this morning. You know why? I got my old lucky hoodie on.
Well, I'm glad you wore it.
I tell you what, this thing right here, I've taken turkeys, deer, anything in it. It's been the old Lucky Hoodie right here, the old mossy oak.
Where's it been on our other hunts?
I don't know. Hey, I'm gonna let you on a little story on this right here, this hunt. Last year we come out here, me and him, and we sit out here for 2 hours and watch the gobbler on the edge of this point out here on the end of this ridge, and I videoed him for like 2 hours. And he wouldn't come in. He had a bunch of hens with him. We didn't have any decoys or nothing set up to help cut the distance on him. So last year we tried our hardest. We come over here the second time, had them hammering over here, but never could get any commit. But probably because there was a ton of hens in here. But this year we finally got one that wanted to play the game. So that's a little bit of the backside of this story here, because it was just a beautiful video last year. That gobbler just strutting and working across this ridge out here.
He put on a show for sure.
Yeah, he did.
Birds came in silent. They were silent this morning. No gobbles at all. And we just had to hear this guy here coming around the woods. He was come in silent, and we went 0 to 60 quick. We didn't get a whole lot of footage of him. He came out. He was boogered. And we took the first shot we had. By no means my first bird in 15, 20 years. I'll take him. And got just as excited as if he was a 30-pounder. I'll take it. He'll eat.
It's a good hunt right there. Good memories to share together.
Oh,
we'll remember this.
Absolutely. I appreciate it. I love it. Absolutely. Yep, got me tore up there quick.
You guys make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Let us know about the hunt. And congratulations, buddy.
Thank you.
That's a good bird.
Thank you.
Good bird for not taking one in 15, 20 years. You can't beat that.
Absolutely.
He's got about 5-inch beard on him. It's a pretty good bird, buddy. Congratulations.
We'll take it. Thank you.
Hey, we'll see you guys next time. Hopefully we can get after a few more this year.